Topic: electrical energy management. How to save that electricity, how to minimize the using of electrical energy. Electricity or electric power, it is produced by generators. These generators are operated by the turbines which is attached to it. These turbines are rotated by steam, moving water or wind power which produce electricity. Conservation of electrical energy. How to conserve the energy, how to save the energy. These following measures can be taken even at home or school to save electricity. First one, use energy efficient appliances to save electricity like compact fluorescent lamps, CFL bulbs, light emitting diodes, LED bulbs, and other electric equipments. By using these bulbs, we can reduce the usage of electricity. Then switch off the lights and fans, television and other electrical appliances when we are not in use. Switch off the mobile phone chargers when we are not in use. Maximize the use of solar radiations like solar water, solar cooker, solar water heating system can be used instead of electric heater. Minimize the use of air conditioners like AC. Next one, e-waste and its management. E-waste means electronic waste like electronic devices, electronic appliances. This if you dump everywhere, that it will be pollute the environment. This electronic waste, e-waste, how to manage, where to dump, how to dispose. E-waste are generally called as electronic waste, which includes these spoiled, outdated, non-repairable electrical and electronic devices. These waste which contains toxic metals like lead, cadmium, chromium and mercury, though also contains iron, copper and silicon. Aluminium and gold which can be recovered. Nevertheless, only 5% of e-waste produced are recycled. Sources of e-waste. What are the sources of e-waste? Electronic devices, computers, laptops, mobile phones, printers, monitors, television, DVD players, calculators, toys, sports equipments and so on. Household electrical appliances like refrigerator, washing machine, micro oven, mixer, grinder, water heater, etc. Accessories like printing cartridges, batteries and chargers. Environmental impact of e-waste. Disposal of any kind of electrical and electronic devices without knowledge can become the landfill and water pollutants. This electronic waste, when we are dumping in the surface of the soil, that it will be covered by soil, that is land is filled, and which pollute the groundwater. Electronic equipments contains many hazardous heavy metals such as lead, cadmium that can cause severe soil and groundwater pollutions. E-waste dumping yards and the places nearby are polluted and cause the severe health hazards like lead, you can see, which damage central nervous system and peripheral nervous system and also which affect the brain development in children. If you see the chromium, which causes asthmatic bronchitis, breathing problem, and cadmium you can see which accumulates in the kidney and liver, which damage the neuron nervous system. Mercury, chronic damage to brain and respiratory system. Plastic, including polyvinyl chloride, the burning produces toxin which can causes developmental and reproductive problems which damage the immune system in our body.